Good day everybody. Today I am going to sample the most expensive instant coffee probably in the world. It is called the Bacha Coffee, established in Marrakesh 1910. Arabica coffee, and I got this from a friend because I don't think I want to invest on buying this myself. 10 packs of this cost 118 ringgit Malaysia. Yep, which is about 20 over US dollars, and so means that per piece of this cost 9 ringgit and 80 cents. Yeah, 9 ringgit and 80 cents. So it's about 2 US dollars, but to us here this is quite expensive. So let's read aloud the fine print that is indicated at the back of this pack. I love Paris, fine flavored coffee, the city of love and light sparkles in the dazzling rays of the summer sun. This Arabica will have you drifting gently, blah 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 blah. Okay, so yeah, you can read it yourself. Now there are 5 signs of beans here, but this one indicated 2 out of 5, which means that this is quite the softer part of the bean itself, the softer quality or the softer strengthness probably. Okay, so let's look at how it's supposed to be prepared. So you tear off the package, and then yeah, I've read it myself in their website, and then inside there's another sachet, and then you tear that off too, and then you place some sort like a filtering mechanism, some sort like that, and then you pour in the hot water. All right, so let's open it up. Yeah. So yeah, there's a sign there. There's a sign there where I'm supposed to tear it off. Gotta tear it off. Yes. Okay, just put it there. By the way, I'm so sorry about the I mean, this is the sound of nature, crows quacking and then there's some breeze overlooking the lake of Emerald right there. Oh wow, hold on guys. Once I've opened this, I can already smell the strength. The coffee is very strong. No wonder that my friend that gave me this, his sister told him that to give this away, because every time that she prepare one of these sachet, the whole office, his sister's office, kind of like being swarmed over by the strong smell of this coffee. It is strong. Wow, wow, it is very, very strong. Whew. Which only means that this is going to be tasting marvelously. So let's take out the inner part of the sachet. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is one glance at this, you will see that this is not a normal coffee. It's high quality product. Okay, so now what do I do? So it says here pull. All right, pull here. Oh, okay, I pull there, and then I think there's supposed to be on the other side. Yeah, oh, like that. Okay, and then where do I open it? Oh, over there, like right there. Okay, open. So I should tear this way, right? Okay. Ooh. All right, let's see the inside. Oh, there's the coffee grind there. I'm gonna give it another smelling test number 2. Ooh. Oh, accidentally blew into it, and the dust just like went into my nostrils. This is very, very strong, guys. It's just like there's a little bit of a smell of like a Milo or something like that, including coffee. Okay, let's put it into the cup that I've brought along. Alright, let's put it in. So the holder on both sides of the both sides of this sachet supposed to be holding itself. Yeah, like so. You see? This is how you put it in. This is how you put it in. And then the indication on the website says that I have to pour 98 degrees Celsius hot water. Right, let's go. Then make sure that you guys can see this, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Oops. Okay, on the internet it says that I have to pour this and then wait a while until the water subside, until the bean soaks all of the water of the hot water, and then you can see that the water is gone. The water is gone, and then you have to fill it again and then wait until it goes down again. Oh, it's dripping down. Let me show you. I can see it, but I want to make sure that you guys see it too. You see? It's drifting like that. Ha! It's drifting. Alright, let's put it in. Okay. And then, okay, it's time to pour hot water, more hot water on it. Okay, and wait for it to soak all of the water. And maybe if I lift this up, it will help it to go faster, right? I think so. Huh. Alright, so let's see how much water or coffee do we have inside there. Okay, like half a cup. Half a cup. We need more. Maybe a couple more of pouring of the hot water inside it. That's the second last of the pour. Okay, it seems like after like 3 pours of the hot water, the dripping seems to be going slower, probably because the coffee powder has been compressed, and the hot water will have a harder time passing through the filter. Right, so how much do we have there? I think that's enough, right? Too much of water will spoil the potency of the coffee taste, right? Alright, now it's time to smell it and to taste it. Smelling test number 3. Now that it's become a drink, and the first and the second smell test just now was like on the powder itself. So now it's literally the taste, the smell of the coffee drink. Let's have a taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I didn't expect that. I still have some powder inside, even though it has been ran through a filter, its own filter. Huh. Okay. Ants around here in this Emerald Lake Park. Actually, I don't know what to say. It tastes more like orange juice than coffee itself. I don't know. Personally, it's not my It's not my preferred taste of a coffee. Anyway, I've also brought along some fresh milk to be poured into the coffee as plan B. So let's do that, huh? Right, let's pour some fresh milk over it. How much? Because I didn't brought much, so I guess like half of this. So let's try half first, yeah? Is that half? Yeah. I think I'm gonna pour all the way in. All the way in, because from the taste of the coffee itself, it is not of my liking. I'm so sorry to say that. So let's give it a stir. It does look like a latte, a mild latte. I mean a strong latte. Strong latte means that it's more milk than coffee itself. Alright, now let's give it a try. Milk coffee or latte. I can swear that I'm tasting ice cream. You know, the kind of popsicles that you have vanilla inside or milk inside and then it's covered with orange ice crush. That's it. Okay, I don't know. Personally, maybe because of this, right? 2 out of 5. So the strength of the coffee taste is very less. Probably if I have budget next time, I'll get the different type, different taste that is like 5 over 5 or at least 4 over 5, and then I can taste the difference, right? Maybe a stronger one next time. Bon appetit.